Hello again and welcome. Our last lesson, we finished the R sound classes. So for today's lesson, I thought we could work on a sound that is very similar to R and just as difficult. The L sound. For today's lesson, we are going to be comparing the R and L sound a lot. But let's start off, like always, and review some words from our previous lessons. Please repeat after me. Darker, hair, learn, race, runner. Very good. The L sound is very similar to the R sound in that it is expressed only with the tongue, without moving the lips and jaw. The only difference is when we make an R sound, we take our tongue and we bring it close to the roof of our mouth. With the L sound, we're going to make contact with our tongue and the roof of our mouth in order to make the sound. Go ahead and watch me, and when you're ready, please try. La, 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 la. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and try some L sound words now for practice. Go ahead and repeat after me. Like, Luke, Luke, slice, slice, lawn, lolly, lolly. Really good work. Now let's practice the difference between the R and L sound. Please keep in mind, with the R sound, we need a gap between the roof of our mouth and our tongue. And when we make the L, we do not. Let's begin. La, ra, la, ra, la, ra, la, ra, la, ra. Really good work. Now let's end today's lesson with words that have both the R and L sound in them. And please, do your best to really distinguish the difference between the R and L sounds in these words. Let's go ahead and begin. Roll, roll, crawl, crawl, lighter, lighter, caller, caller, laughter, laughter, really, really. Brilliant! Great work! As always, practice these words as much as you can until they are natural to you, and you can make these sounds without thinking. Please join me again when we are going to be working on the TH sound. Thanks for coming. I'll see you again soon.